Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm doing another mod on my truck. I'm having problems with the ass end bouncing when I have a load or when I go over a bump. So I'm going to try these air shocks. This is not an air ride, it's just shocks, 2 of them for the back, to see if that would help the bounce out so I don't have so much bounce when I have a load on it. If these shocks don't work out for me, I'm going to have to look for other options to, take that bounce out of the truck. But these were under 80 bucks, so it's worth a try. Hopefully it works. They say max PSI is 150 on it, so I'm thinking if I hold, between 80 and 100 PSI in there, hopefully it helps to bounce out. If they blow out, well, hell, I'll have to look for other things. But yeah, so I already opened the box previously, make sure everything was in it. Basically, you get a bunch of fittings, directions, a little bit of air hose, and the actual shock. So it's a basic installation, 2 bolts. This is where your airline's going to go. Get that hooked up. So yeah, I'm gonna get under my truck, install these, and I'll continue the video. Alright, so here I am under my truck. This is what I'm currently working with. This was a coil-over shock. These are about 5 years old. I mean, they got their use out of them. At the time when I got them, I did spend a few bucks on them. They weren't cheap, doing a whole coil over the shock. They cost me a few bucks. Kind of glad I'm underneath here because I noticed my my emergency brake was rubbing on there. I don't know how I didn't notice that before, but that's got to go behind the shock, or if it don't work behind the shock, I got to do something because it is rubbing right on a coil here. Right, so I have my shocks installed now. I went with the nipples facing the front of the truck, and the reason why is so I can just have quick access. If the O-ring's leaking, I don't have to take off my tire, because if I would have put them facing towards the back, I would have to take off the tire, and they would be pointing up towards the bed of the truck. So they're pointing down and towards the front of the truck. Here's my T right here, and my other side the same way, nipples facing towards the front. And let me show you the access point where I fill it up. Pretty cool place I found. There it is right there. I might have to re-drill a hole because it's a little close to the actual door there, but I can get in with a with one of the air chucks you use for a bicycle. Alright, so here it is, a little air bite chuck. That's what I was talking about, and I can get in there just fine. That's 80 pounds there. Max is 150. I'm going to go up to 100 on them. Okay, that's right at 100 pounds. And I don't hear any leaks. What I'm going to do is get a little bit of soap and water in a little squirt bottle and squirt all these connections here, even my T right there. Squirt a little bit on there, see if I have any air coming out. If not, I'm good. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.